Hello and welcome. The purpose of this video is to show you one way to analyze an RDE report using a pivot table. To start, select any cell with data and press Ctrl and A simultaneously. Then head to Insert, select Pivot Table, and once you press OK, a new sheet will be created. In the pivot table fields, I recommend dragging the end customer name and the subscription name to the filters box. Then, in your rows, you want to add the description. And finally, the values field should consist of the extended price, which is your reseller cost, and the end customer extended price, which is the MSRP of the Azure services. This is what your field should look like. Now go ahead and close the tab on the right-hand side, and you can now filter by the customer you want to focus on, and make sure you select Azure NCE only. Now you can see the total reseller cost as well as the total MSRP for this customer's Azure.